Hello everyone, my name is Sanidhya Chaturvedi and I am from Instrumentation Department, final year student. I am here to represent the project on behalf of my group. We made a automatic garage system in which we install a automatic door which is shown like this. We also install a fire alarm using a gas sensor to secure the garage from it detects a few gases. It detects a few gases. When it detects any flue gases or smoke, it release a signal to the buzzer, and signal is making a noise. There. That's it. And my group member name is Deepak Suman, Pawan Chaudhary, and Anshika Verma. Thank you everyone.